Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can add your payment method. So they're facing that issue that when you just try to add your card payment and they're saying that card payment are not spotted for this account. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a updated version of your iOS in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and also have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect from that section. Simply just disconnect from here. After that, simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and simply just tap on a reset and just reset the network setting from here. After that settings, you just have to make sure one settings you gonna problem gonna solve. Simply just go to your Apple account and just sign up to your Apple account and just again log in your Apple ID. And after that, just trying to put the car payment. If it's not spotted, simply just check that it's there is an issue with your credit card. If not an issue, simply just follow the steps. Simply just go to the support team of your Apple account and just tell them that I'm just facing that problem. So try to resolve that. Simply just do that. And before going to do that, you just have to just follow that all these settings before I can tell that. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.